Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use xBot for Geometry Dash. First, make sure Geometry Dash is in windowed mode and that it is not in full screen mode because it won't be able to display. xBot won't be able to play back the level correctly if it's in full screen mode. So make sure it's in windowed mode and then open xBot, so that when you have it open, you'll be brought to this screen. For low spec PCs, like mine, because my monitor is good, but my graphics card is bad, so it doesn't cooperate with my monitor well, causing lag without VSync. So I recommend 75 for the frame rate. And then I would also suggest you put on auto reset after death, because normally what you would have to do while you're botting a level is you would have to press F5 to reset the bot when you die, so that while it's playing back what you just played, it doesn't just die. And so just put that on, and with that out of the way, you need to just go on the level you want to bot, then put the name of the level. It can just be anything. The name of the level as the macro name right here. I'm just gonna do blast processing because I don't want to go too crazy with this. So then I'll tell you what to do after. So hit record and it'll start going. So then just beat the level, and once you do, you know what to do, because I'm going to tell you when I finish this. Also, sorry if the frame rate is really like choppy. My stupid recording studio is really bad with this, especially in Windows mode, but just bear with it. Oh, it's so laggy. Once again, I'm sorry for the bad quality, if it is bad quality. Probably is. Alright, now when you beat the level, when you're on the end screen right here, press F10 to stop recording the bot. I don't know. Hold on, let me change my hotkey to stop recording, because that would actually stop me from recording. Alright, now when you're done, press F10. That'll stop it. So then press the yellow circle. First of all, select the macro you want. Click the one that you just played. Once you have it selected, don't worry about this. Press play and then press the yellow circle to play it back. Press retry and then it'll play the level. I'm not clicking anything right now. It's actually a very fascinating, it's very interesting. It's so fun to just like watch it go. And yeah, so that's how you use xBot for Geometry Dash. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it helped, and goodbye.